What's up, guys? So today we're going to go over our opposite armpit catch. So what we're going to do is we're just going to take our nunchucks up to our shoulder here, and we're going to come like we're doing a diagonal strike. And from here, we're going to throw it into our armpit on our opposite side. All right, so we're going to take this, come down, bring it into our armpit, and then we're just pinching it with our arm here. All right, so we'll bring it back to our shoulder and catch. Back to your shoulder and catch. Back to your shoulder and catch. All right, back to your shoulder and catch. 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 Back to the 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 shoulder and catch. All right, let's go ahead. We'll switch sides. Bring it up to your shoulder and come down, opposite armpit catch. All right, up to your shoulder, opposite armpit catch. 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 All right, let's go ahead and we'll switch back. So now we're going to go from a forward spin. So we're just going to take our nunchucks, we're going to spin it forward, and then we're going to go into our opposite armpit and catch. Forward spin and catch. Forward spin, opposite armpit 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 catch. All right, forward spin, opposite armpit catch. Let's go ahead and switch. So we're going to go forward spin, opposite armpit catch. All right, forward spin, opposite armpit catch. 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 And we're going to switch back. All right, so now we're going to go from a figure eight. So we're going to go figure eight, opposite armpit catch. 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 All right, let's switch. Now we're going to go from figure eight, opposite armpit catch. Figure eight, opposite armpit catch. All right, figure eight, opposite armpit catch. And that's all we're doing. And we're just spinning it around in our figure eight, coming down, and just pinching it in between our arm and our body. Just like a regular armpit catch. Just figure eight, opposite armpit catch. All right, guys, so the next thing we're going to do is kind of a little like whip out of this position. All right, so this would be like if we're doing a diagonal strike, right? So we're coming down, we're doing a diagonal strike, and we want to stop the momentum before we go into our next move. And we're going to come back like that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come across diagonal strike from here. We're going to be coming back the opposite way. I'm going to use my forearm here to build tension between my forearm here and my armpit. And so that way it's building all this tension, so when I come back the other way, it's going to have more power. So we go opposite armpit catch, we're going to build the tension right here with our forearm, and we're just going to slide it out, and then we're going to whip it. All right, so opposite armpit, slide it out, use our forearm to build that tension into our next strike. So I'm kind of using my forearm here to whip it out. So right here and whip it out. All right, we'll switch. And we'll do the same thing on the opposite side. So we're coming in with a diagonal strike. We're going to use our forearm here to build up the tension and whip it out. Catch, whip it out. Catch, whip it out. Catch, whip it out. So use our forearm here, build that tension, whip it out. And I can kind of use my arm to release it a little bit sooner too if I want to lift up my arm to release it. All right, guys. So that is the opposite armpit catch. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you next time.